Alright, so for this one we're gonna need vodka, peach schnapps, Red Bull, and orange juice. We're gonna start with ice. 1.5 ounces of peach schnapps, half ounce of vodka, one and a half ounce of orange juice, and top it out with Red Bull. We're gonna give this a quick mix. And that's how you make the fuzzy bowl.